How about a square body Chevrolet 1986 K20? Regular cab, long box, of course 4x4. Particular truck is in torch red. Let's say mahogany or burgundy colored interior. Underneath the hood, 350 V8. Of course, the tried and true 5.7 liter underneath there. That is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, also equipped with power steering, power brakes. As you can see, cowl hood, that is a steel hood also. It is not a glass hood. Paint on this truck, nice shape. I'll show you one little spot I noticed over in the passenger door here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this truck, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, call to 507-386-1726. Trucks have been hot lately, especially square body, so don't see this one sticking around a lot or for very long. As you can see, the chrome also in nice shape. Front grille, surround, bright work, also in nice shape. Take a look up and down this too. You see how straight it is. You get this long a body. You have much body work done to them, you're going to start to see it. Now that one little spot right here, and I got it pointed out in the pictures too, you'll be able to see a good shot of it in the still pictures. Of course, front disc brakes, riding on Mickey Thompson wheels. Ditto rubber. You can see plenty of tread left on those tires. This does have a 6-inch super lift. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Linux spray-in bed liner. This truck will definitely turn some heads with its looks and sound. We'll start it up here so you can hear it a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a nice sounding truck. Does have new brakes on it also. As you can see up and down the side of this too, also looks good over here on the driver's side. Around the wheel wells, cab corners, looking good. Was one little tiny, I don't even know if I can find it back, but there was one kind of little, I don't know if it'll show up, a couple touch-ups down here. I'll show you that if you can see it. But you can see nice reflection coming off the showroom behind me from the paint. All right, let's check out the inside of this. So vinyl bench seat. Does have a Bluetooth stereo system that was added to it. Sounds nice. Power windows, power locks. Nicely done trim, kind of billet aluminum style dash and trim pieces. Let's go ahead and hop up in here and let's start this up so you can hear it run. Starts easily. I did notice the brake light was hung up. The brake's not on. Maybe a little touchy switch there with the brake light. There's a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo. Dash in nice shape. I did notice it looks like the oil pressure gauge is not working. It's just kind of pegged, so it's not reading. Wipers did work. Checked those out a little earlier. Let's go around and slip behind this so you can hear it run. Also check out that headliner while we're here. It's in good shape. Try to get the glare out of there for you. Door closes nicely. Does have true dual exhaust. There also, if you look behind there is a seat cover. I'll throw back in the truck. I want to take that out so you can see the vinyl seats and some rubber floor mats, Chevy floor mats. Sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop that hood and get you to take a peek at the engine bay. Alright, I got the hood popped, and while I was doing that, it came down off high idle. I want to slip around to the back of this so you can hear it. This sounds good. Listen to that rumble. Good sounding idle. Alright. back to the engine bay. So 5.7 liter, good old 350 underneath there. That is paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes. As you can see, Edelbrock carb headers are the reason it sounds that good. It was a factory AC truck. You can see not all the AC components are there. Like I said, it is a steel hood, what, 2-inch cowl I suppose on there. Sounding good. Looking for a nice square body, little lift to it. 1986 K20, torch red, automatic with overdrive, ready to go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.